So how can I customize the iPhone control center? Let's get into it. First of all, it depends on which version you are running of the iOS, because in iOS 18 we have a nice new way of just adding controls and customizing it on a really deep level. So if you have that version, you can just swipe down to access the control center and literally just hold down on the toggles to make them go to the edit mode. The first way to customize it is by removing whatever you see on the screen. So you can tap on the minus icon and make that icon disappear. Now, most of the toggles also have a little handle in the lower right corner, which just means that you can actually just turn a single dot, a button, into a widget, and you can expand it into this rectangular or square shape. So it is really useful, and you can just do it for many, if not all, of the toggles in here. You can also just grab any of the toggles and reorganize them as much as you want. Or a very important feature at the bottom is the button to add a new control. And using this, you can essentially scroll through and browse all of the toggles which are available to you, and there are so many of them. You can just add them, search for them, and these will be quickly accessible on your control center. Some really cool stuff which you perhaps were not even aware of. Stuff like a dedicated QR code reader, or translate button, using the low power mode, of course, magnifier, print center, and many different things, right? Even ping my Apple Watch is really useful. And it is a feature which isn't accessible anywhere else, and it can only be used as a toggle in your control center. So I would recommend you to go through them and figure out which one you need and which one you like, because there are so many toggles which people are usually not aware of. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to let you know about. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it, and if you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.